I was asked to do a very basic beginner level strum pattern for the song Three Little Birds, the Bob Marley song. Bear in mind the original song is done in the key of A, I do it in G, but I'll show this in C, so your basic chords are C, F, and G7. Playing the song, I would advise initially, of course, to accentuate the backbeat, the 2 and the 4. So it's boom, 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 and so forth like that throughout the song. So playing it, you would still strike the strings, the bottoms, first couple closest towards you, and on the 1 and the 3, and then all the way through on the 2 and the 4. So it sounds something like this with all downstrokes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. It's a C chord. F. Boom, 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 boom. Back to C. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. F. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, G7. Back to C. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 C. Boom, 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 G7. F. You do the same thing throughout the whole song. Once you get that, if you want to add a little bit to it, on the 2 and the 4, I'm not going to show any chucking or anything like that as a beginning video. On the 2 and the 4, you can accentuate that as so forth. F, da 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 da. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. F. Back to C. Boom, 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 boom. G7. Back to C. G7, F, that's a basic idea of a couple things you can have fun with, and I hope that helped. Have a good day.